Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move a ClickUp space to another workspace. This is incredibly useful when you're reorganizing your projects or need to transfer a complete space setup to a different team or workspace without rebuilding everything from scratch. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to clickup.com and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your workspaces and spaces organized in the panel. This is your command center for managing everything in ClickUp. Now, on your panel, find the section labeled Space. Underneath it, you'll see all the spaces you currently have in your workspace. These are the main containers that hold your folders, lists, and tasks, so make sure you're looking at the right workspace if you have multiple ones. Next, locate the specific space you want to move and click on the three dots next to it. This will open up a menu with several options for managing that space. From this menu, click on Templates, then select Save as Template. This is the key step that allows you to package up your entire space so it can be transferred to another workspace. You'll now be prompted to enter a template name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After naming it, make sure to enable Share with all members and turn on public sharing. These settings are important because they allow the template to be accessible when you try to use it in a different workspace. In the Import Options section, you'll see choices for what to include in your template. You can either import everything or customize which specific items you want to bring over. For this tutorial, we'll select Import Everything to ensure the entire space, including all folders, lists, tasks, and settings, gets transferred. Once you've made your selection, click Save Template and wait for ClickUp to process and save your space as a template. This might take a moment depending on how much data is in your space. Once the template is saved, click the plus icon next to the Space section and select Templates from the menu. This opens up your template library where all your saved templates are stored. Check the Space category to see your newly created space template, then click on the template you just created. Now click the Share button on the template and copy the link that appears. This link is what allows you to access and use the template in a different workspace. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the link into the address bar. When the page loads, you'll be presented with options for which workspace you want to use your space template in. This is where you select the destination workspace for your space. Choose the workspace you want to move the space to, then click Use Template. ClickUp will now import the entire space into your chosen workspace with all its contents intact. And that's it. You've successfully moved a ClickUp space to another workspace using the template feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.